Friends and colleagues, it's so nice to see you around, continuously supporting the ISOG mission and vision. It is a privilege to stand before you today as we launch the I Am Secure 2026, a platform that reflects not only where we are today, but more importantly, where we are headed as a cybersecurity community. You know, guys, at ISOG, our vision is clear: to help build secure, resilient, and trusted digital ecosystem for the Philippines. One that enable innovation, support economic growth, and at the same time strengthen the national security in an increasingly connected world. But achieving this mission requires more than technology. It requires alignment. It requires capability. And it requires a shared commitment across all sectors. Our mission is to ensure cybersecurity is embedded at every level of the organization, not just within IT, but across leadership, operations, and the broader business environment. Because today, cybersecurity is no longer a support function. It is a business imperative, it is a leadership responsibility, and it is a national priority. So as we continue to advance this mission, we remain guided by clear direction. As we shared in our recent statement, we continue to expand ISOG's reach across industries to ensure that cybersecurity awareness and capabilities are embedded at every level of the organization. You know, as threats becomes more complex, interconnected, our organization remains committed to strengthening collaboration, upskilling workforce, and empowering organization to adopt a proactive and resilient security strategies that can keep pace with the evolving landscape. This reflects the reality we all face today. Threats are no longer isolated. They are intelligent, they are adaptive, and at the same time, they are deeply interconnected. Which means our response must also evolve. We must move from reactive to proactive, from siloed efforts to shared responsibility, from isolated defenses to a coordinated, ecosystem-driven approach. This is exactly where I Am Secure 2026 plays a critical role. It is a platform that enables collaboration across government, enterprises, and technology leaders. It strengthens our ability to share knowledge, to build future-ready cybersecurity workforce, and at the same time to align strategies that are resilient, adaptive, and scalable. Now, because ultimately cybersecurity is not just managing risks, it is about enabling trust. It is protecting the foundations of our digital economy. It is about ensuring that the Philippines is not only prepared, but positioned to lead in the age of intelligent threats. As we move forward, I encourage all of us to take an active role in this mission, to collaborate more deeply, to invest intentionally, and to lead with greater urgency. Because building a secure digital nation is a shared responsibility, and together we have the capability and responsibility to make it happen. So dear friends and colleagues, thank you and magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat.